Hi friends, இப்போ நம்ம embedded and real time systemல இருக்க some of the MCQ questions வந்து இந்த topic of task, thread and process இந்த multitasking operating systemல பார்க்க போறோம். First task என்னன்னு பார்க்க போறோம். So task is nothing but different parts of the functionality in a single system. இப்போ எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்கு வந்து நம்ம ஒரு டெலிஃபோன் ஆன்சரிங் மிஷினை வந்து டிசைன் பண்ணுறோன்னா ஸோ அப்போ வந்து we have to define the recording the call, answering the call and also the operating or the various applications. So on the applications in a system and each application repair that is called task. So next to process nan paaka porom. So process is a program of execution or it is a part of the execution, and also we can say it is a thread of the execution. So process is also known as instance of a program in execution. So multiple instances of the same program can execute simultaneously. So at a time it is going to execute. A process requires various system resources like CPU. That is a processor for executing the process. So process pathina that is going to be a sequential in execution. It is going to be a continuous process of execution. Process is a single execution of a program. So for example எடுத்துக்கிட்டா if we run the same program in two different time அப்படி எடுத்துக்கும் போது we have to create a two different processes. So process என்றது a part of the execution தான். So அப்போ same program two different timeல பண்ணும் போது we have to create a two processes. So each process has its own state that includes not only its registers but also all of its memory. Next threads na nan paaka porom. So thread is a lightweight processes that share the same address space are called threads. So it is going to reduce the program execution speed. இப்போ MCQ questions பார்க்கலாம். First question, which of the following can be used to refer to entities within the real time operating system, that is RTOS? So answer is A, threads. So threads and process that is used to refer to entities within the RTOS. So inga process kudukala, only threads dhaan kuduthirukanga. So answer is threads, that is A. Next question, which of the following defines the set of instructions loaded into the memory? So answer B, that is a task. Task can be defined by the set of instructions which is going to be loaded into the memory, and also it is splitted into two or more tasks. Next question, which of the following uses its own address space? So own address space nu varumbodhu that is going to be a thread only. So answer vandu thread. So threads uses the shared memory space and it is also uses the memory space of the process. Next question, which of the following does not uses a shared memory? The shared memory use பண்ணதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா thread. இங்க question கேட்கறது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா does not uses a shared memory ன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. So that is a process. So process நம்மளுக்கு தெரியும், that is going to be a part of execution or program in execution or threads of execution. அதுதான் process. So process வந்து does not share the memory space, but the thread வந்து that is going to share the memory space. So when the CPU switches from process to another, the current information going to be stored in the process descriptor. Next question, which of the following can own and control the resources? Answer on the B, task. So when task and process rendume pathina that is going to have a several characteristics, and one such is that the task or process can own or control resources and it has threads of execution. So process nam already sollirukom, that is going to be a threads of execution. So which are the paths through the code? Next question, which can be supported if the task or process maintains a separate data area for each thread? So answer pathina C, multiple threads. So multiple threads only can be supported if the process or task maintain separate data area for each thread. Next question, which of the following possesses threads of execution? Answer on the A, process. So process that is going to be a threads of execution. So already பார்த்தோம், that is going to be a part of execution or program of execution, or we can say it is a threads of execution which are the paths through the code. இங்க C வந்து kernel எல்லாம் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So kernel is the heart of the operating system, or we can say that is going to be a part of the operating system. So இங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா process going to have a threads of execution. So answer A, process. Next question, which of the following is inherited from the parent task? So answer C, that is going to be a thread. So thread are the part of the process, we can say. It uses a shared memory of the process and therefore said that its resources are inherited from the parent process or task. Next question, which term is used to encompass more than a simple context switch? So answer A, that is a process. So process pathina, that includes the additional information which is used to encompass more than a simple context switch, and also it is similar to the task switching. So that is why it is said that the process and task are interchangeable. So context switch that is going to be a process of storing the state of a process or thread. So idukapram pathina it can be used to restore, and also we can able to resume the execution at a later point. So adukku peru da context switch. So or process nandandru irukna adha stop pannittu we can able to do the other process. So adha nama erkene pause panna process pathina we can able to resume or we can able to restore. So adukku da the context switch vandu use avudhu. Next question, which can be considered as the lower level in the multitasking operating system? So answer C, that is a threads. So in the multitasking operating system, the process and task pathina that is going to be a higher level, thread vandu lower level. But in a simple operating system pathina there is no difference between the context switch of both thread and the process. Nandri, vanakkam.